Your Excellency, I have the honor to present Laitia Tamata, Permanent Representative of Fiji to the United Nations and other international organizations designate of the Republic of Fiji to Geneva for this morning's commissioning ceremony. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and External Trade has fulfilled all the prerequisites through orientation within the government agencies to ensure that all Fiji's interests are covered whilst your servant, Laitia Tamata, is in post. Excellency, Laitia Tamata, whom you have faithfully dispensed, is now ready to duly execute his calling to be Fiji's permanent representative to the United Nations and other international organizations. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Thank you.
I, Laitia Tamata, do swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji, so help me God. I, Laitia Tamata, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji. I solemnly and sincerely promise to hold the office of the ambassador with honor, dignity, and integrity, to be a true and faithful counselor, not to divulge any secret matter entrusted to me, and to perform the functions of my office conscientiously and to the best of my ability. So help me God.
Your Excellency, may we now invite Ambassador-designate Mr. Tamata to join you at the signing table for the execution of the oaths.